Meet the future in motion. In 2050, Lamborghini evolved beyond reality. Sharper, faster, smarter. Light sculpted with precision. Engineering you can see. The iconic scissor doors reinvented. A cockpit that adapts to your mind. It reads the future at 120 milliseconds. Body panels that breathe. A power core engineered for legends. Silent, smooth, savage. Speed that bends the horizon. Precision in every quantum shift. Machine harmony in motion. Power in broad daylight. When power speaks, the world listens. The city bends around its power. This is the Lamborghini 2050.